everybody, this is me, Maryam Belgabli from Let's Learn British English channel, and today's lesson is IPA. So, the lesson is about three main questions. The first question, what does IPA stand for? The second question, why do we need IPA? The third question, what are the reasons that make IPA very important? So let's move on. So what does IPA stand for? IPA stands for International Phonetic Alphabet, and it's the most important thing that we need to learn. And this is how it looks like. This is the general look. But pay attention that there are certain differences in how to write these symbols, but these won't be an issue for you, for sure. Now, let's move on to the next question. Why do we need IPA? Using IPA can improve our English pronunciation, and it helps us to avoid pronunciation mistakes too. Now, the third question, what are the reasons that make IPA very important? Well, here's the answer. English spelling and pronunciation are horribly irregular. Take this word as an example. Wednesday, its phonetic is written this way. So, simply we see something and say something else. And that's why we need IPA, to know how to pronounce words. At the end of the video, hope this video was so useful, and don't forget to share, subscribe for more videos. See ya next time.